Hi all, this is Zino Days. Just want to give you a quick run through of what you get with a Hubsan Zino flymore combo, at least what I got with mine. So given this very nice case, which is, only downside is quite a short strap even when you extend it, but nevertheless it's still quite a good case. It came in padded. You get the drone itself, which is a folding drone. This drone has brushless motors. It has a 3-axis gimbal camera, which is 4K. Flight time is around about 20 to 22 minutes per battery, although it's advertised at 25. It'd be very rare to get 25, and I don't think anyone would risk flying it right down. Batteries are just here. It comes with 2 batteries. Now, my budget was about $250 to $350. For that, you can get a few second-hand drones, which are quite expensive normally. You can buy a Mavic Mini for about $360, but only comes with 1 battery, which is not much good if you only have 1 battery, even though it's 30 minutes. This is probably an entry-level amateur professional drone. You know, if you want to get into photography, videography, it's quite a good drone for that. So, comes with 3-axis gimbal camera, 4K, 22-minute flight time. It's a folding drone, brushless motor, so it's quite powerful. Also got with it 2 batteries. The controller, which is all white. This is chargeable. Takes about 2 hours to charge. Batteries also take about maybe 2 hours each to charge. As a 22 minutes flight time. You get numerous cables for plugging in certain different phones, Android, Apple, car charger as well with it. This one also takes a micro SD in the side. As you can see it with the sun on, so micro SD. It's also got a USB there for updating it, so you may have to update the software when you get it new, depending on what it comes with. I had to update my software when I got it. Very nice drone. I got it from eBay. You can get it on Amazon as well, but there's probably more sellers on eBay if that's something you're interested in. Any questions, please leave in the comments. Feel free to like, subscribe and share, and enjoy any videos I've uploaded. Thank you.